Welcome back friends, happy holidays. I'm Brooke Styles and welcome to 25 DIYs of Christmas. 25 DIYs of Christmas to Christmas. I think I keep changing it. Today we're in the kitchen. This is my home kitchen. This is a really easy bake, so if you're not usually a baker, don't worry, this one is for you. It's a mix between a home treat and a gift treat, and today we're making these beautiful homemade cookie tea bags. All you're gonna need for this one is 250 grams of butter, 1 cup of icing sugar, 3 cups of plain flour, a block of plain chocolate, Mod Podge, twine ribbon, baking paper and a tray, paper and a printer, cling wrap, a straw, electric beater, a paintbrush, and of course an oven. So our first step is to beat the butter. I would suggest leaving your butter out to get to room temperature so it's easier to do this. Then we're going to gradually add the icing sugar. Now for our flour, we're going to slowly add this one and try not to overwork it. It is a very crumbly mixture. Don't be scared if it's a little bit too crumbly. We can always add a little bit of milk to help. After that, we're going to knead it a little bit and then wrap it in some glad wrap to then set in the fridge for about 30 minutes, just so the cookies keep their shape while they're baking. Once I pop the mixture in the fridge, I'll turn the oven on to 160 degrees Celsius and we'll start crafting for the decoration step. I honestly cannot wait for these. I think they're just like the perfect little treat for a cozy night on Christmas Eve with a hot chocolate or your favorite hot beverage, dipping your little biscuit tea bag. Oh, it's gonna be a perfect gift as well. Alright, I'm gonna wipe down the bench, wash my hands to make sure my surface is really clean, and then I'm gonna start kneading. I'll come back to you as soon as we're starting to decorate. The shortbread is now in the oven. They'll be in there for about 15 minutes. And so it's time to make our tags. I've just got this felt like fabric paper. It's not a normal A4 size, so I have to cut it down. And I've just made the design on Canva. PS, Canva is your friend. It is the best little website app I've ever used. Just using some of their app shapes, I've created these little tea tags. One says Merry Christmas from B, and the other one says You're my bestie, but bestie with a T on the end instead of pun. What I'm going to do is probably wait till the cookies are done to assemble this, but this is a great time that you can print them and cut them out. Now that the shortcake's all cooled down, so we're going to melt our block of chocolate. I'm just going to melt it by popping it into the microwave for about 30 seconds. Chocolate is melted. It took exactly 30 seconds. But now what we're going to do is just dip the ends of our tea bag shortcakes into it. Let's get into the decorating. This is going to be super simple. I'm just going to get into it, but we're just going to use the twine, our cut out tags, and the Mod Podge to then make them into tea bags. I hope you enjoyed making the little shortbread tea bag recipe with me. If you end up using this as a gift, let me know, or if you make it for yourself. Don't forget to check in tomorrow to see what we're up to. We're going back into the studio. Happy holidays, and I hope you're enjoying 25 DIYs to Christmas.